The conversations that children have had afterwards have shown that it's actually really inspired them, and it's shown them that there is so much more out there that they can explore. And one boy, as we talked about, wants to now study Chinese at university, so I think that's very good now. It links to our class text, it links to humanities, and links to science as well. So having the breadth as well as looking at maps, also speaking, checking our spelling, checking what we're doing in art, it all links really well. So whichever aspect of the curriculum it is, it all...
What I really enjoyed the most was actually learning to talk Chinese. I might go to university and speak Chinese there, like you. And I might go to university in China.
Now I'm a little inspired.
I enjoyed this lesson and it was quite entertaining.
Yes.